next question. We have a tangent here, and there is a chord that is hitting the tangent at a certain angle, and then there is another chord that is hitting the tangent. So if you were to take this as A, B and C, the triangle is completed. Okay, now what they are giving us is, they are giving this angle as 30 degrees, this angle as 50 degrees, this angle is x. We need to get this angle x. Of course, this is the center O. Now if you were to observe this, I hope you're able to see it. AC is the chord that makes an angle of 30 degree with the tangent, right? So by alternate segment theorem, the angle subtended by AC or CA, or I would say the angle created by AC with a tangent will be equal to the angle subtended by the chord AC at the circumference. So this is the chord that is subtending an angle over here. So that means angle at B will be equal to 30 degrees, okay, by the alternate segment theorem. Now we are asked to find, so let me write that down, x. By the law of triangles, angle at A plus the angle at B plus the angle at C will be equal to what? 180 degrees. Now angle at A is 50 degrees, angle at B is 30 degrees, angle at C is x degrees. This is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 180 minus 50 added with 30, 80. 180 minus 80 will give me 100. So x is equal to 100 degrees. So that's a solution for this third question.